Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Gusto. We are going to talk about its pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Gusto, and then we'll check up the pricing plans. Even if you can see right now, they are in some kind of really nice sale at the moment. So, Gusto is an all-on-one solution that offers HR, benefits, payroll, and time tracking functionality, all from one centralized platform. Gusto's HR capabilities include the ability to make more efficiently and effectively onboard new hires to ensure they are getting up to speed quickly, settling into the company, and gaining the necessary knowledge. Gusto cuts down on your admin and paperwork, which also provides benefits in terms of sustainability by enabling your employees to sign forms and contracts, as well as enroll in benefits and your company's payroll scheme online. This means you don't have to print any paper forms. Gusto also enables you and your employees to manage PTO better, but automatically syncing with both your company calendar and your payroll system. You can also send out anonymous surveys to find out how your team is doing, get recommendations on how to improve, and receive feedback on what your employees like and don't like. As Gusto centralizes your data, you can more easily stay compliant with the HR regulations. It's not really made for the biggest of the industries, but small and medium businesses can really well work with Gusto, also freelancers. You can easily run it in your web browser also, and they are providing very nice support in their chat. And actually, that is not so irritating as other, because first of all, you have to give them your first name, last name, email, and the name of the company, and then they'll start chatting, so they are not really bothering you around. So let's check up the pricing. At the moment, they got simple pricing plan, plus, and premium. Straight away, premium is quotation based. So first of all, you have to contact them and ask for features that you really need. And you need to talk to sales, obviously. Then in simple, it's $6 a month per person, but the fixed is $40. At the moment, they are offering limited time offer on Plus, where you have to pay $60 a month with $9 a month per person. And that's about it. It's pretty easy. And when you scroll a bit down, you'll find out what is exactly offered in each and every package. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.